Today I'm going to demo the LinkedIn profile search agent on A2A Net. A2A Net is the AI agent marketplace for professionals. Automate live searches on LinkedIn, Reddit, Twitter, and more without risking your account by chatting to AI agents. So let's click the agent. And here we can see a description, its skills, and some example prompts. So let's get started by clicking chat. And the easiest way to get started is just by asking the agent what it can do. So the agents are aware of their abilities and skills, and the response here should help. Okay, so there are three main use cases for this agent: lead generation, customer development, and recruitment. We're going to explore the recruitment use case today by finding founding engineers with MCP experience in London. So I'll say, find me with MCP or model context protocol experience in London. And now the agent should suggest some parameters for us, and it correctly identified a Boolean search, location, details, etc. The one thing to point out here is profile details. Short, there are three different modes. One is short, which gets their current experience and their current, or their most recent experience and their most recent education. Full gets their full experience and their full education, and email also attempts to get their email addresses. So now the agent's working in the background to get this data, and it will produce a table for us. It said it has found 4,000 profiles in total. However, it just retrieved 10 here. So we can click on their URLs to see their profiles, and we can also hover over items in the table. We can also download the table if we'd prefer to view it in Excel or whatever else. So now that we have profiles, I'll say filter people with the good founding engineers. The agent might propose some parameters, or it might also just filter. Let's see what it does. So it says it's proposed these parameters: strong technical expertise, experience in building, startup, leadership, or team building skills. I'll say that's great. Oh, okay, it's already looked for them. So this here, it's now filtered the 10 profiles down to, looks like 8. And of course, you can do this up to 2,500 profiles. It should do that in about 5 minutes. So that's great. Okay, so now that we've got these profiles, we can make our lives even easier by asking it to create a summary of their MCP experience and startup experience. Perhaps let's also ask them if they can summarize their technical experience too. So create a table with all their key details, summarize their MCP experience, their startup experience, and their technical experience. So now create a table with all their key details, summarize their MCP experience, their startup experience, and their technical experience. Great, and now we have a table with all their key details and their MCP experience, startup experience, and technical experience.